Making videos takes forever. You spend hours researching the topic, more hours writing the script, then you need visuals, then you need to animate them. And by the time you're done, you've lost a full day, maybe two, on a single video. And then you have to do it all over again next week. What if the entire pipeline, topic, script, visuals, video, ran on free tools and took a fraction of the time? That's exactly what we're building today. A complete faceless video engine for the finance niche, one of the most popular and highest earning niches on YouTube, built entirely on free tools. Here's what we'll build. A NotebookLM project pulling from real viral finance videos and web articles to generate an original script. A scene-by-scene visual plan with every shot mapped out. Finance infographics and stock videos ready for every scene. At the end, I'll show you the finished video. Let's build this engine. If you want more free AI video systems like this, hit subscribe. I post new videos every week. Open NotebookLM and create a new project. Now open YouTube in a separate tab. For this tutorial, I'm using the finance and investing niche, but this method works for any niche. History, fitness, tech. The engine is the same. Type your keyword into the search bar. I'm going with investing explained. Filter by popularity, then by this year. This removes old viral content and keeps only what's gaining traction right now. Scroll through the results. Look for one specific pattern. High views on channels with a small subscriber count. That's your signal. When a small channel gets big views, the topic is doing the work. That's the content worth modeling. Copy the URL and paste it into NotebookLM as a YouTube source. Repeat for 4 more, 5 total. Now go to the search section on the left panel, type your keyword, and import those results as sources too. Style comes from the viral videos. Facts come from the articles. NotebookLM draws from both, which is what makes the output original. Go to Settings, Chat, Custom. Paste the title and script creator role prompt, which you can see on your screen right now. You can also find it in the description. After setting the role, I type, "Give me 5 ideas for my next investing video." 5 titled ideas come back, each grounded in the sources we loaded. Nothing invented. I'm going with idea 3. Back in chat. Write a 1,000-word YouTube script for idea number 3. Professional rhythm, pulled straight from the viral style Bible. This script is the foundation the whole unlimited pipeline runs on. Keep that in mind. Before we jump into step 2, quick heads up. I built something that can help you actually start. It's called the Faceless YouTube Engine. Inside, you'll go through 9 clear stages. Each stage ends with a checklist and a real action task, so you're not just learning, you're building. So if starting a faceless channel has been sitting in the back of your mind for a while, this might be the moment you finally make it real. Link is in the description. Script is ready. Now we turn it into a scene-by-scene production map. For this step, we're using ChatGPT with the Visual Planner prompt, which you can see on your screen. This prompt is customized for the investing niche. It builds scenes out of icons, infographics, and stock videos. The classic visuals in this niche, easy to produce and effective at delivering financial concepts clearly. Using a prompt customized to your niche like this is what separates average videos from top-quality ones. And because the scenes are generated from your specific script, every user gets a different visual flow. The authenticity is built in from the start. I paste the prompt into ChatGPT first, then go back to NotebookLM, copy the full script, and paste it at the end of the prompt. Hit send. Look at what comes back, a full scene table. Let me walk you through the first 2 scenes so you understand exactly what you're working with. Scene 1 is a stock video scene. Instead of an image prompt, it gives you a keyword, ready to paste directly into a stock video library. I'll show you a free library to use in the next step. Scene 2 is an icon/infographic scene. This one comes with a detailed image prompt, specific enough to generate immediately without any changes. Again, I'll show you exactly how to produce this for free in the next step. Every visual decision is already made before you open a single generation tool. That's the point of this step. Visuals time. Two types of scenes to produce: infographics and stock videos. Let me show you both. Start with the stock video scenes. Open Pixabay and go to the Videos tab. Take the stock keyword from your scene table and paste it into the search bar. Notice the label at the top of the results, royalty-free. Every video here is free to use on your channel without any licensing issues. I downloaded several clips that looked good for this scene. That's intentional. Downloading multiple options gives you more to work with in editing and makes it easier to find the best fit. Now the infographic scenes. Search Google Flow on Google and open it. Click New Project. On the image generation dashboard, click the engine selection, and you'll see that Nano Banana 2 shows 0 credits, completely free. Copy the image prompt from your scene table for scene 2, paste it in, and generate. Look at that result, clean and instantly readable. This is exactly what works in the finance niche. Viewers watch finance videos for simple visual explanations of complex ideas, and this delivers that perfectly. One thing worth mentioning, each scene takes around 1 to 2 minutes to produce. So for a full video, this entire step runs in 30 to 60 minutes. That is extremely fast for what you're getting. Before the final step, quick note. If you're already making videos and want a real system behind them, check out my guide, The Faceless YouTube Engine. It takes you from niche selection to consistent publishing, with clear action tasks and a sample video built alongside you. So if you want a repeatable faceless channel system instead of random experiments, the link is in the description. Visuals are ready. Time to put the video together. The first thing we need is a voiceover. Search Google AI Studio on Google and open it. Click the drop-down menu on the right to select a voice. For educational content like finance, a middle-pitch voice works best. It feels authoritative without being too heavy. Select the voice that fits. Now copy the first 5 scenes from your script and paste them in. I'm doing 5 scenes here for demonstration, but you'll do this for the full script in sections. Generate and download. Next, background music. Open YouTube Studio and go to the audio library. It's on the left panel. This is a free library you can use directly for your videos. Since we're in the finance niche, select cinematic as the genre and inspirational as the mood. Listen through a few results and download the one that fits best. We now have everything: voiceover, visuals, and music. Time to edit. I'm using CapCut, which is mostly free, but use whichever editor you're comfortable with. Start with an empty project and lay down the voiceover first. That's your skeleton. Everything else gets built around it. Bring in all your scenes. Use the visual plan as your assembly guide and adjust each scene to match the voiceover. For scenes where you downloaded multiple stock videos, use more than one clip. Cutting between them keeps the viewer's attention and increases engagement. I didn't add transitions between scenes. For educational content, information matters more than aesthetics. Keep it clean. For the AI-generated infographic scenes, add a slight zoom effect. It gives static images just enough motion to feel alive on screen. And one thing worth mentioning here, this combination of stock videos and AI-generated infographics with a subtle zoom is completely safe for monetization. The stock footage is royalty-free, and the infographics are original generations. You're not at risk. Add the music on a separate track and bring the volume way down so the voiceover stays clearly in front. Finally, add auto captions and style them. This is a paid feature in CapCut, so use it if you have access or skip it if not. Do a final check and hit export. Now let's watch the result.
You are probably making a massive investment mistake right now, but it may have nothing to do with choosing the wrong stock. The real problem is how your portfolio is structured. Without a systematic plan, investing can quietly become gambling with your future. You may think you are diversified, but uncompensated risks could still wipe out years of patient gains when markets shift. Markets may be rational systems, but everyday investor decisions are often anything but rational, especially under pressure. Today, I will show you how to build a set-and-forget automated asset allocation machine for long-term wealth.
If you want me to continue this series with a different niche or format, Drop the word continue plus your niche in the comments. Could be fitness, history, relationships, anything you want to see built. Drop it below. And one more thing. This engine doesn't only work for this type of video. Click the video on your screen now to see me apply it to a completely different niche. That episode became one of the most watched in the entire series. I'll see you there.